Welcome back. Well, it was another hot one out there today, but scattered showers and storms coming in this afternoon, cooling things off and giving at least portions of Lafayette Parish a big soaking and some localized street flooding, but things have quieted down. So let's get over to the Key Wall, talk about this upper level pattern here, and pretty much we're being dominated by a weakness in the atmosphere. It's really not overt. We have this high pressure system back to the west of us, and then you see around the ridge of that high, you have a northerly flow, pretty dry air to the Texas-Louisiana border. But then we come in here and there's just a little bit of a kink, a little bit of an upper level trough right here. And this is only going to dig down and kind of sit on us over the days ahead. So that's going to engender a pretty good chance of mainly daytime showers and thunder showers with the onset of activity maybe a little bit earlier in the day. And that's going to be the trend for the rest of the week, the weekend, and much of next week, the way things are shaping up as well. Very different than last July when we were smashing heat records and couldn't find or buy a shower. To this year, a different story. And as we look at the U.S., we have monsoonal moisture in the west, threat of severe weather off to the north. Locally, things were pretty active during the course of this afternoon, but have since quieted down across our region. Here's a 6-hour loop showing the showers and storms rolling through Lafayette Parish and points to the north and east. And you can see how at the end of this loop, things have really quieted down. This is present temperature, present conditions. Not much shower activity in Acadia and a few off to the east. As for the tropics, it is awfully quiet. This is the way we like it, and this is the way we're going to see it probably for the next week to 2 weeks. Not a whole lot going on. You can see much of the Atlantic void of any thunderstorm activity. You have to get over to Africa before you see those monsoonal storms coming off the African coast, but it's coming off with a lot of dust across much of the Atlantic. We'll see that dust transporting across the Atlantic. Could reach us a week or so down the road where we may see some hazy skies as well. Always have to be on the lookout for the clear areas, and this might be a tropical wave that's trying to seal itself off from the dust. Going back to Barrow. Barrow was buried in some dust early on when it was just a disturbance, but it sealed itself off, and we remembered how that one turned out, a Cat 5 in the Eastern Caribbean, and then all the way over to Houston, trouble. So here we are on the looking at tropical activity throughout the year. You have your darker shade is major hurricanes, and then tropical storms, and 85% of all activity happens after August 1st, and 95% of all major storms happen after August 1st, and we've already had one major storm in the Atlantic Basin. So we're here. We have another about a month or so before things really start to get busy, and we'll just enjoy the time we have and be prepared for when it does get busy. Meanwhile, we see the tropical moisture funneling in through the Gulf of Mexico, daytime showers and thunder showers, a tropical wave coming in maybe toward the end of next week. The bottom line, we have plenty of moisture to work with. That weakness is not going to go anywhere, so it's going to be up and down, splash and dash showers and storms. And the onset of the activity, mid to late morning through the early afternoon hours, through about 3 or 4 in the afternoon, and then things begin to quiet down at this time. And I think that's going to be the MO as we move forward. A good scattering of showers and thunderstorms Thursday morning into maybe the afternoon hours, and you can almost see a broad upper level low here in the northern part of the state, giving us good coverage on Friday. So it's going to be on and off rain chances. Not one day is going to be a washout, but we're going to have a pretty good chance of a daily dousing or maybe 2 on any given day as we move forward. So again, upper 80s to lower 90s tomorrow, again being masked by some of the shower activity will help to cool things off. And again, upper 80s, lower 90s. So the flip side of all of this is our temperatures are not going to be too bad over the next week to 10 days. Still warm and humid at night, 78 to low. Those showers already diminished across the area, but can't rule out an isolated pop-up down toward the coast. That's why the 10%. Tomorrow, more heat and humidity, but the onset of scattered storms may start early in the day, so be on the lookout for that. Keep the rain gear handy. Make it your friend. Get a number of spots where you keep the rain gear because you always forget one spot or the other. And as we move forward, the daytime chance of showers and storms is pretty healthy, 50, 60, 70% on any given day through the next week. And that keeps our highs closer to the upper 80s to lower 90s. No complaints there. And overnight lows, though, still a little steamy in the mid 70s, but better than 80 degrees. That's the good news. That's it for weather for now. We're going to have more coming up a little later on.